Hey, hi everyone. I am Arkhia, and today we are here to discuss about a great career that is public relationship, and we'll discuss about the career opportunities and the internship opportunities. How can you get a great career at the same time? How can you grab a great interview opportunity and internship opportunities are also will be going to discuss. Okay, so before we start, so it's a request from many of my students that after they are completing their graduations, maybe they have completed their English honors, and after the that BA degree, they can go for many of the careers like emerging careers like if you talk about public relations, journalism, social media mastery, digital marketing, and all those articulate marketing, and affiliate marketing. There are so many things. Out of that, public relation is one of the things that is really great and a demanding career for the next 10 to 15 years. So before going into the details, so I would like to tell you like what is public relations and how it can help you in your journey. So I believe you have done a basic research about that public relations. So for example, who are the right audience for this group is like let's say you have a water bottle, like let's say you have a water bottle like Bisleri water bottle, and there are many water bottles like provided from different groups of companies and all those things, right? But out of those things, why Bisleri water bottle is getting sold and why this publicity is a huge? Because the brand value that you can see, that Bisleri, this brand value that you can see, this brand promotes it. Okay, similarly, being a public relation officer, like your task would be presenting the best value of your company to the client, to the public, so that you can represent yourself in a greater way, and so that your articulation power matches the company's requirement, and at the end you provide a great product, right? Okay, so let me give another example. Okay, so when we talk about any companies, like we always want the best company, right? Maybe it is your beauty product, it could be any technological product or something like that. But how that happen? It's because of the advertisement and the marketing strategies that the company follows, right? Behind every company there is some marketers and advertisement experts, so who provide those type of technological things, and because of that thing, these all things comes, right? Similar way, when you have to represent a company, you need to do research for that company. And being a public relation officer, like you need to know three things. Like you have to represent, I mean, you need to articulate any services. uh, Services means, let's say, let's say, think about any bank, like we have SBI, Axis Bank, like Bank of Baroda. There are lots of other banks, right? All the banks provide the similar type of services mean in terms of keeping our money secure, and at the end they give interest, and also bank gets benefit from that money by providing those things to a, I mean, investment and some other things, right? So now which bank you will be looking for, right? I mean, you can choose SBI, or you can choose some any other private bank also. It depends on your requirement and the, I mean, the face that bank is providing to you. Similar way, your thing is, I mean, being a public relation officer, you, if you are a public relation officer for SBI, your task is providing the best face of your SBI company to the client, to the public. Then only you will grab that opportunity, you will crack the deal. And if I am a public relation officer for a particular product, as I said, let's say I'm a public relation officer for this Bisleri product, and let's say there is another guy who is a public relation officer for another product, something XYZ product, some water bottle. So I need to articulate why this water bottle is best, and this is, I mean, going to rock, and if you drink this water, how much, I mean, good things is going to happen. These all things you need to articulate. Then only that is the task of you. So I hope you understand that being a public relation officer, what is your role and what is your responsibility. In short, your role is to present the best face of your company to the client or to the public. Then only you are going to grab the deal. Now the next question is, in these COVID situations, in these current situations, getting a job, getting an interview, everything is challenging. I am also working for a company. I'm also, I mean, running a kind of passionate career where I guide and help students. I understand the situations. So the thing is, getting a internship and job is a bit of challenging. But the thing is, it is not going to be challenging if you have your own brand. So what you need to do is you need to follow some simple tips that will help you to get a greater result. For example, let's say if your goal is to get an internship, I believe, let's say you have completed English honors or something kind of BA degree. After that, you are trying to get or pursue a internship, because internships will help you to get a real job, right? Because this internship will help you to give some more experience before a real job experience. So definitely internships is going to help you. But my question to you is, I mean, why shall I give you that internship opportunity, right? There are 1,000 people, they're also looking for that internship opportunity. All are looking for the similar internship opportunity. Why shall I give you that internship opportunity? Because, see, being a company, my goal is I will get the best intern so that he will help me at some point of time and also provide some services, right? So, are you ready with your goals? I mean, do you know what you need to do? So, for example, you are going to get an internship. Let's say you are going to get an internship from a, I mean, water company. Let's say a Bisleri. Okay. So you need to understand who are their clients, what their specialized, I mean, products. I mean, for example, Bisleri, all the people who are, I mean, above the, I mean, poverty level, who can afford that drinking water, they can buy this product. I mean, also being a Bisleri company, they provide Bisleri in a bulk product or individual product. They are specialized in creating and manufacturing that mineral water, right? These are the specialization. I mean, I know what this client do. I know what is their specializations. I know who are their actual audience. I mean, who will buy this product. I know that in this income group people will buy this. Below this income group people will not buy this. So I know those things. Then I'll write a letter to that company that I am willing to get a internship for your company and I have this experience. So then only you will get an experience. I mean, to get a scope to have a internship opportunity. So you need to research these things. First, find out the companies, search in the Google, find out the companies who are providing an internship opportunity. Okay, then research these three things for all the companies. Have a great, I mean, background work and hard work done in pen and paper. Then articulate those things with your skills and match those things to that company. Then you will definitely get an internship opportunity. Otherwise, getting an internship opportunity is a bit, I mean, tricky nowadays. But this is not going to be tricky if you work in this principle. Believe me, this works for many people. It will also work for you. I can guarantee you. Okay. And another way, just note it down these things, and after you are watching this video, you have to follow these things. Note down whatever I am talking right now. Just note it down. Also, I hope you know that there is LinkedIn, right? This is where we connect with that. I mean, people at enterprise levels and softwares, or talk about any companies and all. So like read the, I also love to read the bios of, I mean, great people. Like you also, when you are seeking an opportunity to get an internship in the public relations, so you also need to search who are those people in the top level of every company who are doing that public relationships. For example, let me show you a demo. I mean, if I go to that LinkedIn, let's say, if is it open? Yeah, it's open. So I mean, I will search like this. I mean, public relationships interns like this. Let me search like that, and then it will provide lots of search results. I mean, see, I mean, you can search jobs, people's. Like if you search jobs or people's, you will find there are many people who are working there, and like that way, you also find like who are the people who are working for the reputed organizations, what they are posting, what their bios are, what links they are referring. Okay, and connect with them, because networking is the one thing that will help you to grab any opportunity. Networking will help you to get any opportunity, and that will only the thing that will help you. Okay, so I discussed about let me brief a little bit. So I discussed about what is public relations and how, I mean, being a public relation officer, what is your role? That is presenting the best face of the company to the people. And second thing is how you can do the research. You need to understand three things. You need to jot down the companies who are offering internships, and also research about that company. Note it down. The research will be different for the different companies. Okay. Then, I mean, how can you get that scope? I mean, from where you will collect that these many companies are offering internships? This is the LinkedIn. Okay. So you need to go to the LinkedIn. Also search like public relationship. I mean, interns like in jobs, let's say. So you will get a page where You can see these many companies, social media marketing intern, these many companies are there who are providing and opportunity to you can also apply. So if you apply your CV and resume, and also will be get attached, and you can also apply that. But the thing is, this apply and all those things will work only when you are creating a brand for you. Okay, so my question to you is, if you are really interested about that public relations, okay, so how much background work you are doing? Okay, getting an internship opportunity is a different thing. Yes, you will definitely get it, but why that company will give you that opportunity? You also need to show something, right? Then only they will come to you and bring you and give that opportunity so that you can take the next step and go to the next deal, right? So you need to create your brand. That is what is my next point. So before you are getting an internship opportunity, you need to create your social media handle, and that is the most important thing in this current era. Believe me, if you are not doing it, you are doing a great mistakes. We use social media. Where is my phone? I am not having my phone right now, but the thing is, if you have your phone currently, I mean, the every people, I mean, mainly the young, I mean, talk about any people, they search Facebook and they consume the content, and at the end, they are, I mean, busy in that, I mean, watching something, liking something, commenting something, indulging themselves in the gossips and all those things, and this, I mean, waste their time. I hope you are not doing so. If you are doing so, stop doing it. Understand one thing: social media is a great platform, so you need to utilize the social media. Now what is happening is, social media is using us and we are wasting our time. But social media is the tool where you can project your content, you can create your own page, own brand that you can show to that companies, and you can say that this is what you do. From there they will get that blueprint of you. Understand one thing: there was a time when Aadhaar card, voter card, PAN card was the, I mean, blueprint for you, that this is you, this is Arghya, this is Sohini, this is Mitali, this is XYZ. But today's era, whenever I'll search about a person, what the first thing we do is we go to the Facebook and search. Let's say I come to know that one of my friend named Asutosh got a job in Infosys. Okay, and I said it to some of my friend. What he will do is he will go to the Facebook and search Asutosh Ghosh and where he is working in, some posts, some comments like that. What is there any other page that he is referring in? So all those things are getting scanned. So your social media handle is going to be the solid one. Let me show you how I handle my social media handle. For example, we help students to get their careers and search and accelerate their job search process. For the engineering students, I mean, how they can articulate that interview process so that they can get and monetize their needs, and that is the need of the future. So we have a group like this. Similar way, you should also have a group, also have a page where, I mean, you need to daily basis, I mean, project whatever you are doing. It could be for you, if the, I mean, motto is creating I mean, public relationship officer brand, so you need to every day post contents related to that public relationship officer, right? Similar way, for example, I help people how they can crack the interviews. So you can see, so we help people, I mean, how a question could be answered in a different way so that HR gets convinced and you also get the job. Similar way, you also need to do the same thing. Create a page for you, write down your own name and attach something with that, and also start producing content. Consuming content will not help you to get and land up in a great company and get an internship. Rather than start producing content from right now, it will help you. Believe me, it will help you, and it helped lots of my friends, and also it helped me to get a lots of reputations from my organizations and outside of my organizations. It helped a lot. So this is the best thing that you should do. Start creating a page and start creating contents related to the public relations. What is public relations and how it can help anyone, and why you are passionate about that. And also create some, I mean, bring some case studies that you can help, like for example, here I have projected a questions like, I will pay you 30k per month, but your expense is also 30k per month. You are a freshers. Do you want the job offer or not? So create this type of case studies and explain how you can overcome those things. I mean, what you need to say, research, and also search in the YouTube, search in the LinkedIn, and find out some solutions. Then project and create the content. Your phone is enough. Record a video, post over there, and at the end, also there will be many people who will be following you for your good comments, for your good contents. They'll follow you, and this media, this channel, this link is going to be super rocking for you. This you can show to the any company, any organizations, your Facebook handle, your your Instagram handle, your LinkedIn handle. This could be benefit for you only, right? So as I mentioned, your social media handle is going to be super solid, and then only it will get a great opportunity from any company. Okay, so this is what I all wanted to say you, that getting a job is really easy, but you need to do a background work, and getting an internship is also easy. For example, let me show you another example. Okay, for example, what you need to do, you need to search. Simply, let's say search, I want to get some internship opportunity, right? Okay, so let's say I have searched something, PR internship. Okay, I'm searching something like PR internships. Okay, public relationship internship. So Google is showing me some jobs like social media intern, SVF. Okay, SVF intern industry and all. So SVF is a entertainment company. It provides some jobs. So now you understand that yes, this thing, this company provides some internship opportunities. So what is your next goal? You need to go to the LinkedIn. You need to go to their page. And search like what they are providing in. So this is the, let's say this is the SVF provide company link, SVF in. So I understand from this page is that they provide brand stories, films, TV distribution, music, digital camera, cinemas. So what I understand is that this is a completely purely entertainment based company, and this is their business goal. Now I have to understand who are the clients of this SVF. Maybe from this page I can understand that Hoicho is one of the product that is a production of SVF. There are many movies and also entertainments that is also under the product or the umbrella of SVF. So I need to go to those companies, those links, and understand how SVF is helping them to to get into that under the one umbrella of SVF, this entertainment industry, right? So being a public relation officer, your task is projecting SVF brands, products, services, peoples in such a way so that SVF gets benefited for all those things, and ultimately you win the deal. So you need to learn articulations, you need to learn those technologies, those things that definitely you will get a chance when you will get enrolled into that actual public relationship as a measure when you are going to pursue that in your next step. But before going into that, if you do some background work, how to start researching, just stuck into that, stay continuously focused and do research. It will help you to create a great resume for you, and it will create a personal brand for you also. And then project that skills. That's so simple, but you need to learn how to do this. That is up to you. If you are really passionate, I know that you are going to crack it. So have a solid, rigid, strong social media handle. This will help you to create and crack any deal. Okay, so I hope you understand that how this is going to help, and these all tips that is going to really help you. And let me summarize those things. Like as I said, you should so this is a plan for you for the next 1 year, and everyday basis you need to update these plans. So first thing is create a personal marketing plan. Personal marketing plan means, as I am telling, it's all about your social media handle. Create a page in Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. Every day, day-to-day basis, update what is public relations is, all the contents related to that public relation. Search in the Google. There are many public relations experts who provide the contents. So get to know about those things and post content daily basis. Bring some case studies and also articulate how that case study could have been solved in a different way. Also bring some products, for example, as I bring this Bisleri as a mineral water product, and also explained how that water can be beneficial for many organizations. Similar way, you also need to bring some case studies like SBI, Axis Bank, and some other banks are also there, and some bank is providing Demat account. All the banks are providing Demat account and which account will be benefited, right? So this type of things you need to bring. This will eventually help you to create, you can resonate yourself with a great content, and you can produce those things. And as I mentioned, like utilizing your social media will be your next step. So this will help you to articulate and accelerate your progress and brand report. And you need to do practice, and do a research. Act within first 30 seconds. Whenever you think something, start taking actions, because if you start taking actions, you are going to win. Many of my students also ask that, what if I lose? But the thing is, if you will not lose. There is a great quote from the Nelson Mandela that was, "We never lose. We never lose. We either win or we learn." Similar thing is going to also happen for you also. Excuse me. So do the research part and start, creating your resume. This will also help you. Networking is the one of the thing that you need to definitely do. Let me ask you one question. How do you, do the networking? Tell me. Write in the comment section. See, with whom we are staying, that is our network. For example, family is one of our network, friend is one of the network, another network is our professional network. So you are the average of the people with whom you are staying, right? So if you are always staying with a kind of mindful and resourceful, active, full-minded people, then you are also going to grow. So similar way, you also create a network. Maybe from that, not from the Facebook friends list I'm telling, it's all about from that, LinkedIn, connect with the people, attend the job fairs, attend some networking events, where you understand that this is going to help you for your public relation course, career, maybe social media, digital marketing, or some, career that you are going to pursue in the coming days. Attend those type of events. Nowadays, due to this COVID, there are lots of online events is also happening. Search in the YouTube, learn, search in that Google, you will get to know about those things. Never think about what if I don't learn something. Definitely you are going to learn something. It's all about taking an action, an initiative that is going to happen. So if you do this type of steps, and I believe getting an internship will be very much easy for you. And it's not only that, you will never understand that when you have already become a great public relation officers, and a great opportunity will be waiting for you. It's all about the time factors. Start taking actions from today, I hope, and you are going to get a great result in this career, because this is a great career that you have chosen. That being a public relation intern, public relation officer, nowadays it's a trending thing. Journalisms, and if you compare about the other careers, this is a great thing. And you are almost about to start a great thing in this 21st century, the digital century. But as I mentioned, these things will help you to create a great branded career for you. I wish you all the success, and hope for the best, and stay tuned. And also remember one thing, that is, internships take time, and the hardest part of it is that finding, the great job. But if you follow these steps, this is going to be super easy for you, and I hope this will help you. Okay, if you have more questions, do connect with me. In my bio I'll provide the links to connect with me, and if you have more questions, definitely come back to us. We'll help you. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you have learned something. If you have learned something good, comment in this video, and stay tuned for the next video. Thank you so much. Wish you all the best in your career.